Tired of those annoying black bars ruining your movie night? Let's transform your Samsung TV into a totally immersive big screen experience. First things first, grab your Samsung TV remote. We're going to navigate through the settings menu. Press the menu button on your remote. This will open up the main settings panel. In the menu, use your directional arrows to find and select the picture option. This is where we'll control how your content looks. Once you're in picture settings, look for picture size or a similar option. This controls the aspect ratio of what you're watching. Now, this is the crucial step. You'll see a few options. We want to select wide fit, zoom, or sometimes smart view depending on your TV model. Experiment with these. If wide fit doesn't perfectly fill the screen for every type of content, see the difference? Wide fit will stretch the image slightly to fill the entire television screen, eliminating those distracting black bars. On some Samsung models, you might find these specific screen adjustments under a separate display or screen menu within the main settings. If you don't see picture size under picture, check there. Navigate to that section using your remote's arrows. Again, you'll be looking for options like wide fit, zoom, or screen fit to ensure your content completely fills the screen. And that's it. You've now successfully set your Samsung TV to full screen, maximizing every inch of your display for a truly immersive viewing experience. Enjoy your borderless entertainment.